Hi students, we are going to see trigonometry exercise 6.1 8th sum. If cos theta is 2, sin theta equal to 1 is to 2, then find the value of 8 cos theta minus 2 sin theta divided by 4 cos theta plus 2 sin theta. Now, given cos theta is to sin theta equal to 1 is to 2. Now, here ratio given, write proportionally. Proportional means divide. Cos theta by sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta by sin theta formula you know cot theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by 2. Cot theta formula adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. Write one. Draw one diagram. Draw one diagram. Now adjacent value 1, opposite value 2. Opposite value 2. We want to find hypotenuse. அப்போ Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Hypotenuse squared equal to 2 squared plus 1 squared. That is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Hypotenuse equal to root 5. Sin theta, here cos theta, sin theta we want. இப்போ sin theta equal to formula opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite 2 by root 5 hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent 1 by root 5. Now 8 cos theta minus 2 sin theta divided by 4 cos theta plus 2 sin theta. Substitute the values. 8 cos theta 1 by root 5 minus 2 sin theta 2 by root 5 divided by 4 into cos theta 1 by root 5 plus 2 by root 5. Multiply 8 by root 5, 2 2s are minus 4 by root 5. Here 4 by root 5 plus 4 by root 5. Denominator same, then subtract 8 minus 4, 4 by root 5. Here denominator same, add 4 plus 4, 8 by root 5. Denominator same value, cancel. Here also 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 by 2. With that value equal to 1 by 2. Get the answer. Next, 9th sum. From the given figure, prove that theta plus pi, the symbol is pi. Okay, theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. Also prove that there are two other right angled triangles. Find sin alpha, cos beta and tan pi. Here we want to prove first one is theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. Second one is there are two other right angle triangles. And the third one is sin alpha, cos beta, tan pi. Find. Okay, three values we have to find. First, theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. One diagram given. See that one. We want to prove that theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. These two values equal to 90 degree. 90 degree means the triangle is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem satisfied means the triangle is a right angle triangle. Then in triangle ABC, Pythagoras theorem, see that one? In this triangle, side is 15, side is 20, this side totally 25. This one is a bigger side. I will take this one as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AB squared equal to hypotenuse squared AB squared equal to other two sides square. That is AC squared plus BC squared. AC squared plus BC squared. But 25 squared equal to 15 squared plus 20 squared. 25 squared 625 equal to 15 squared 225 plus 20 squared 400. Add this 625 equal to 625. The converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle C. Pythagoras theorem is satisfied. Therefore, by converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle C equal to 90 degree. Angle C equal to 90 degree means angle C, the total angle. Theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. First part proved. Second one is we have to prove that. This triangle, these two triangles are right angle triangle. These two triangles are right angle triangle. First I will take this triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, see that one, ADC, ADC 3 sides, 15, 9, 12. So it is a bigger side. I will take this one as a hypotenuse. Okay, 90 degree opposite hypotenuse. We want to show that this one is a 90 degree. Now AC squared equal to AD squared plus DC squared. AC squared equal to AD squared plus DC squared. AC squared 15 squared. AD 9, DC 12. AD squared 9 squared, DC squared equal to 12 squared. 15 squared 225 equal to 9 squared 81. 12 square 144. Add this, 225 equal to 225. Pythagoras theorem is satisfied. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, this angle D equal to 90 degree. ADC, triangle ADC is a right angle triangle. And next, we have to prove this triangle is a right angle triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle in triangle BDC. In this triangle BDC, see that one? This one is a hypotenuse. BC squared equal to BD squared plus DC squared. BC squared equal to BD squared plus DC squared. BC 20 squared equal to BD 16, DC 12. 16 square plus 12 square, that is 16 square, 16 into 16, 256, 12 into 12, 144, add this value 400, 400 equal to 400. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle D equal to 90 degree, therefore triangle BDC is a right angle triangle. Next, we want to find sin alpha, cos beta, tan pi. Alpha means in this triangle, see that one, in this triangle. For your easy understanding, draw this diagram. Okay, now alpha, now sin alpha we want to find. Sin alpha means here opposite side 12, hypotenuse 15. Sin alpha formula opposite by hypotenuse. Sin alpha opposite side 12, hypotenuse 15. 12, 15, that is 12 by 15, cancel 4 by 5. Cos beta, beta this angle. Now take this triangle. Cos beta formula adjacent by hypotenuse. Now cos beta triangle. Okay, now 20, 16. See that one? This one is a beta, adjacent side 16, hypotenuse 20, that is 16 by 20 equal to 4 by 5. Tan pi, here pi, take again the same triangle. Okay, pi angle, see that one, tan pi equal to formula opposite by adjacent, opposite side 16, adjacent side 12, 16, 12. Okay, 16 by 12 cancel, 4 by 3. We get the answer. Next sum, a boy standing at a point O finds his height flying at a point P with the distance OP equal to 25 meter. It is at a height of 5 meter from the ground. When the thread is extended by 10 meter from P, it reaches a point Q. What will be the height Qn of the height from the ground? Use trigonometric ratios. One diagram given. Now the boy standing on this place O. Now height in this place P. Okay. Now the distance between the boy and height equal to 25 meter. The height on the ground from the ground equal to 5 meter. From the ground equal to height from the ground equal to 5 meter. Okay, now I will take this one is theta. See that one, opposite side. This one is opposite side 90 degree. This one is a hypotenuse. Opposite hypotenuse means now find sin theta. In triangle OPM sin theta equal to opposite hypotenuse 5 by 25 equal to 1 by 5. I will take equation number 1. Next, the thread extended, now height is in the place, in this place. Okay, 10 meter extended, the height is in the place. We want to find this height. Okay, now take this triangle, full triangle, OQN. Here we want to find H. Now we know hypotenuse. It's fully hypotenuse. See that one? Triangle OQN. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta equal to opposite H. Hypotenuse is fully distance equal to 35. H by 35. So sin theta equal to H by 35. I will take equation number 2. See that one? LHS sin theta equal from 1 to 2. Therefore RHS also equal. LHS equal means RHS also equal. So 1 by 5 equal to H by 35. Now divide, go to the side, multiply. 35 by 5 cancel, we get 7. So H equal to 7. Height QN equal to 7 meter. Get the answer. Thank you, students.